Statelessness is really an inhumane situation to be in.
They feel like they're frozen in time.
Have no rights in the country they're based in.
It means rejection and hopelessness.
The lack of a right to have rights.
It's important that this phenomenon is ended.
It really undermines the basic fabric of what human rights are supposed to be all about.
We prioritise working constructively with governments, doing evidence-based advocacy to bring about reform, but we also recognise that part of the fight to end statelessness has to happen through the courts.
A European-wide strategy is particularly important, not just for the individuals who are stateless, but also for the lawyers.
It's important because it sends a message that these are rights holders and people who are subjects of the law.
The Statelessness Case Law Database is going to be a crucial cog in our strategic litigation strategy.
Achieving justice in the case of one person leads to better access to rights for everyone.
As a researcher, it is very important because you can actually check what is being done in different countries, different contexts.
It brings together that kind of expertise, that kind of coordinated approach.
The value that I see in the litigation database, indeed like a knowledge hub, where specifically lawyers can see, okay, this is usually what the judges say in the Netherlands versus Poland.
It's really important to produce public goods like this that will help to catalyze additional work without having already resource-strapped NGOs having to do the same work over and over again.
It shows how people work in other countries. It shows how things can be changed, and it's a great way to learn from each other and to exchange experience.
There's a real value in comparing what's happening in one country with another.
It's an essential thing to share know-how and to share information and to share cases that were won.
It would help practitioners be able to flag potentially more quickly that this might be a statelessness case.
Tools like this database that are diverse and cross-cutting is really the next stage of advocacy around the eradication of statelessness.
I would like to see a world where stateless people are identified and their rights are protected and they're given a route to citizenship so that they can enjoy the rights you and I to take for granted.
What I would definitely hope for is that those who remain stateless in Europe see that there is a light at the end of the tunnel within their own lifetimes, not for the next generation, but for themselves.